Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are going to make Murgh Kali Mirch, that is black pepper chicken. 15 years back I tasted this dish at Lucknow. I was so impressed that I immediately collected the recipe from the concerned person of the restaurant and now I would like to share it with you. I have taken 500 grams boneless chicken cut into cubes in a bowl. You can use curry cut chicken also. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of curd. Mix all these ingredients with hand and marinate for 2 hours in freeze. Let's add 3 tablespoons of white oil on a hot pan. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Then add 1 finely chopped onion, a little bit of salt to make the onion soft, half teaspoon of sugar. Saute until the onion are golden. Now let's add half teaspoon of ginger paste, half teaspoon of garlic paste. Saute until they mix nicely with the onion and the raw smell goes out. Add a little bit of water so that the masala does not stick to the bottom of the pan. This particular recipe is not too much spicy. After frying the masala, add the marinated chicken to it. Let it mix gently with the masala and cook for 3 minutes. Then cover the pan with a lid and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Now add half cup of warm water . Cover the pan. Again cook for 10 minutes on low heat. Add half teaspoon of black pepper, one teaspoon of kasuri methi. Cook for a couple of minutes on low heat. Then add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Test the gravy. As per my preference, it is required to add half teaspoon of black pepper. Turn off the heat and add 1 more tablespoon of cream to the gravy. Okay, that's all. Now the Murgh Kali Mirch is ready to serve. It is best served with Rumali roti, Phoolka or Tandoori roti. If you like the video, do share it with your friends and family. A subscribe to our channel, Recipes Old and New, will be highly appreciated. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.